Hey guys, so I've been growing indoors inside grow tents for about 6 years or so. Um, Typically, I really like to use electric skylights, but they went out of business since then. So I've really been looking for a new light to kind of take over and replace that. So I've got 11 of those, but like I said, I wanted something different, something where I could, count on it being around. So I got these. They have really good reviews, so I wanted to check them out. So now I'm going to share that with you. First thing to show you, this is the kind of hangers they come with, so they just clip on really easy in the four corners. So you only have to have one hanger, and then it also comes with this rope ratchet here to hang it. And then one of the things that's really cool is that you can daisy chain these ones. I know some of the lights I've used before, you couldn't daisy chain them, so you have bigger spaces or whatever, you have to have separate cords. So I like that you can hook these up, and it has a wide range of voltage you can use from 100 volts up to 240 volts. So that's really cool. Just simply unplug it and connect your other ones in. And the cable that it comes with, it's a really nice heavy duty cord. Again, some of the not so great lights I've used come with smaller, thinner cords that maybe don't feel so trustworthy. And then the other feature that's cool on these is that you can set your dial for percentages, right? It has them clearly marked up from off to 20, 40, 60, 80, 100%. So depending on what phase you are in your grow process, you can dial it in for low for your seedlings and all the way to 100%, whatever you need for when you're in flower. And then it has these exhaust fans, or these cooling fans here on top. They're really quiet. Yeah, you can barely hear them while they're running, so they keep the lights cool. And to be honest, like I said, I'm typically used to running like really, really expensive lights. And these ones, what it's on right now is 20%, and it seems really bright. And I haven't ran a full cycle with these yet, so I'll do another post after I do that. But right now, just to turn it up and show you without hurting my eyes, this is super bright, and I'm super impressed. So for such a small compact light, it's really perfect for a 4x4 tent. Anything bigger, maybe you want to get a couple of them, but this particular light, really good for this tent. I'm super impressed right now from what I can see, given the spectrum and the range and the reviews and everything on it. I do think it's a good value for the money, and I recommend it. Thanks.